I want to show you a cool feature on the Festool PS420. It makes use of this little lever here. It pushes on the auger and you have quick blade changes, no tools required. But the auger needs to be in the top position for that lever to be operational, and not always will it stop on the top. In this case, I'm going to remove my blade and force the machine out of the slot. And you can see that the auger is in the bottom position, making blade changes impossible for now. So you don't need to force the blade back into the top position. All you have to do is switch the machine on. The electronics will reset the auger to the top position, making the blade changes easy again. So let's switch the machine on. I'm going to show you how it resets itself, and then we're ready to go. You can see the auger slowly move back to the top position, and now I can remove the blades again.